by my channel. Today I am super excited to share with you my closet remodel, organization, whatever you may call it. I've been dying to do this and it was very much needed, so I'm glad that I can be sharing it here with you guys. I am also doing a DIY in this video that I did not show how I put it together, so if you're interested in seeing how I did my little chandelier that's in this closet, definitely let me know that specifically in the comments, and that'll be another video that I'll put together for you. Enjoy this video. If you have any questions about organization or just getting your closet together, I am here to help. First step for this project is going to be taking everything out of these two closets here and figuring out what is going in the Goodwill, what is being put on Poshmark, which I will link here in case you want to shop, and what is just getting thrown out overall. I have already purged my denim, like I already went through that and I uploaded what I didn't want onto Poshmark, but I have to do that for my jackets and blazers and then the miscellaneous side that is this. So just to show you, these are my two closets. I live in my parents' home and this was a master suite at one point, so that's why there's two, but it's still not enough space for me. I live out of my two hampers, which are here. I live out of my dressers, I have clothes in storage, and these two closets, and I still don't have enough space, so it's just a sign to me I need to get rid of things. A quick tip for what I like to do when it's time to like clean up and give away, it's the same thing I do when I'm buying a product from a store. I say to myself, you have 30 seconds to make 3 to 5 outfits from this one item. If you cannot do it, put it back. Now this is different for like statement pieces and pieces that really are standalones and really don't get worn that much. But I'm doing the same thing here today. So I'm gonna go through all of this. If I can make 3 to 5 looks in 30 seconds, it's gotta go. So I got these from Target. I ordered them online as we are still in quarantine. And I think this is gonna help me a lot because, like I said, I ain't got no space. So I'm gonna use about this. There's 10 to pack. I'm gonna use 5 for this closet, 5 for this the other closet, and hopefully that can help me save space. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hooks on it, which means in like one garment rack can hold 5 items. Definitely helpful. This closet is a little trickier because of this guy right here. Now, both closets look like this at one point and I just couldn't do it and had to switch to the bars the other way. I'm not doing that for this closet because I don't want to lose my shelf, but I am going to have to cut this guy off because literally getting in here is already hard enough, and to have this protruding thing like that, I just can't do it. So I'm going to remove the stuff from the front first, and then figure out the best way also to organize this closet because it's just like, it's miscellaneous. It's basically anything that I didn't deem pants or a blazer is in here, and I don't really like the way it is. So it's definitely going to be the hard one. I'm excited. Here is an easy and super affordable way to create hooks for your hat. All you'll need is a push pin, and you'll also need a binder clip. I made sure to make sure that mine were the same color as my hat, and then you just hook it on. Okay guys, so it's the third day of this closet makeover, and I've had a little hiccups along the way, but this is the last day of what I hope is just like organizing, and then I have a few decor things that I want to do in here to kind of make it a little bit like spicier. But this should be the last day of organizing. So this top shelf up here, I'll get a little closer for you to see, is going to hold my sneakers. And I just have to like really remove some of the stuff that's here that's not important to make room for the sneakers that are currently on the floor. And this is what I'll be using to organize the shoe boxes. I got this from Amazon. I got 2 and they come in a set of 4. I had other options that I wanted to use, but I found that these we're just going to get here the fastest and still do what I want. So I'm going to use these and stack them on that top shelf up there. Cleared out the space, guys, and as you can see, there's just like a ton of room back here that I'm not even really using properly. So I'm going to try and figure out, like, yes, I want to put my sneakers up there, but if there's a way that I can store other things behind it, I'm trying to really take advantage of the fact that there's a lot of space up there and I kind of forget about it. I wanted to show you guys this for reference before I throw it in there. These are my Vans, and these are probably my high tops, my tallest pair of sneakers, like height-wise. I'm a woman 7.5. So I'm laying them that way. I was hoping that I could stand the sneakers up, but these are kind of high. Just wanted to show you that in case you were wondering like how this would fit. Yep, it still has extra room, so I definitely think you could take taller shoes, but I just had to lay them down. So one of my biggest complaints when it came to my closets is that I didn't have lighting. Often I would be in here in the evening and I wouldn't know what I was looking at, guys. So I got these lights from Amazon, which I made and used for my chandelier, but I also just used them in other parts of the closets just to provide light. And I kid you not. Look at this. Look at how much better this looks at night. Versus the alternative would have just been darkness because the light in my room never shined enough into my closets. So I'm so happy for the lighting. I also added just these 2 little quotes that I thought were cute, just to give a little bit of pizzazz to the closet and use up that empty wall space. And this is the final reveal. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you have any questions or comments for me, just let me know down below.